I published a video and it brought me 1 million views just in few days. And in this video, I will share with you 5 essential steps that you need to do to publish videos that bring you just the same amount of views. If you still think it is not possible and it will not work with you, then you definitely need to watch this video till the end, as I repeat those 5 steps on my other videos and they showcase just the same results. And you don't need to have 100 subscribers on your channel. With this method, the number of subscribers you have on your channel actually doesn't matter. You can even have a brand new channel and you will reach just the same results. My name is Katie, and in this channel I share information how I monetize 2 brand YouTube channels and start to earn on YouTube. So be sure just to watch till the end and know how you can do this just the same way. So let's start with the 5 things that will help you to upload videos that gain million views. And by number 1 we have Google Trends website. This website allows you to analyze the most hot and popular topics nowadays in a different categories. This website has to be your number 1 to go when you create the idea for your future video, as exactly information that is showcased here is your ticket to the viral videos. I place direct link on this website in description under this video, but you also can write just Google Trends in the search bar and it will land you just on the same homepage. To find the viral topics that will bring you million of views, you can choose 2 methods. First, click Trending Now tab. Here, select the country that is based on your channel language. Next, choose 7 days timeline. You can leave the category filter untouched or set up the specific category that you would like to check trends in. Next, you need to choose only active trends, and the last step may stay as it is. This will show you the list of topics that are popular at this period of time, and creating videos based on one of those topics can bring you a lot of views because those topics are popular and trending exactly now. This method works good if you don't have a specific category in mind, but if you already chose the channel direction, you just need to use the second method for creating viral videos. For this, click Explore tab. This tab allows you to find a viral ideas within specific topic. Here, type the topic you are interested in, choose the country based on the language of your channel, set up 7 days timeline, and choose here YouTube search. This method showcases you exact requests that people search for within your chosen topic. And creating videos based on those requests may bring you many views, as this is something people are interested right now. This window has one more essential setting that can boost your video, and I will share the setting just in a minute, but for now let's move on and highlight the next steps that can help you to create a viral videos. And this will be using the YouTube filters to find the most popular videos. For this, open YouTube on your homepage, type in the search bar the topic you are interested in and click enter. Now from the right top corner, click the filter button, and this window will allow you to choose different characteristics for the videos, but we are interested in specific ones. At first, under upload time, click this week. Now the page shows all the videos that were uploaded in last 7 days for a specific topic. Now click filters again and choose sort by view count. Now the page shows videos that gained the most views during last 7 days, which give us an understanding what topics and ideas are interesting for the viewers right now, and which you can follow and repeat just the same video success. For example, pay attention on the titles of the videos and the information the video highlights. To be honest, filters button for me is a brand new opening, because before taking YouTube seriously I even didn't notice it, and share in the comments if you ever use the filters button on YouTube to find out what kind of videos gain the most of views on YouTube. To make this video acceptable to watch, I just keep everything brief, but you can find all additional information regarding those steps and next steps that will be highlighted in the guide I attached below. There will be more tips of how exactly you can use those steps with some cool insights and specific examples. So just click the link in the description under this video to download the guide. But we are moving to the next step, which is using Google search. It may sound funny, but just wait for this trick, because it's an amazing way to find out the most popular videos right now. For this, just open Google and type in the search bar your topic request and add word news at the end. Here you will see all latest news and updates in the topic that are interesting for people and that Google offers the first, and creating the video with one of those titles or information will let you be the first who shares the news and who YouTube platform will recommend for those who are interested in the topic. This may sound too easy, but this is exactly the way how you can be on the top of the news in your chosen topic. Even though the next step I will highlight will be less exciting than previous ones, it can be super beneficial if you are patient. This step includes exploring other strong channels that post content similar to the one you want to share. And besides watching what those channels just shared recently, just explore other videos on the channel and analyze which topics and which ideas gained the most views during the whole time. You can be lucky enough to get on the brand new channel who just started their growth in the specific topic and which content ideas you can use as an inspiration for creating your own future videos. And I know that analyzing other channels can be frustrating because you can see how many views they got when you got nothing. Yet in this way you can jump into some new ideas at the very beginning and boost your video views and boost your channel. But let's imagine that 4 methods I shared doesn't work for you and you still don't know what topic or idea for the video you would like to use. That's why the next method will help you to focus on the content that is exactly interesting for you. And for this you open YouTube homepage and see what videos YouTube platform recommends you based on your personal interests. I found this method useful with time when I subscribe channels that share the same content that I create and use their new videos as inspiration for my future videos. All those different methods just lead to one key moment: to know what works the best for now, because trending topics are equal to the most amount of views in the shortest time. And when I tell shortest time, I really mean it, because with my channel that didn't show more than thousands of views per one video, I managed to gain 1 million views in just a few days. And as I mentioned before, I repeated those steps on my other videos and they showcase just the same result. And just comment below how many methods of those did you do before when published your YouTube videos. And perhaps you will find the answer why your videos didn't gain a lot of views. And one more thing I promise to show you at the end of this video, and this is the bonus tip that will help you to find the topic that can boost your video. And it includes using Google Trends, but with one specific adjustment. You might know that Google and YouTube are one platform, and every time you search something in Google, the results will recommend you YouTube videos that are based on your request. And there is a way to get into this category of videos. And right now I will show you how. So when we're on Explore page, change the last setting from YouTube search to web search. And using your topic, this method will give you search requests that people use now in Google to find information based on your topic. Use these keyword lines for your video idea and for your title, and your video will have a chance to appear in the same line of YouTube videos that is recommended by Google. In your video statistics will be shown that majority of views came from the Google search. And it may be not that fast method to gain the views, but this method allows you to get views during long period of time, during weeks, months, and even years. A lot of things were said, but even more were left behind because this video would be super long. That is why I tried to include as much as possible in PDFs that I attached in description under this video, so just click the link and download it. And I really hope those 5 methods were super useful for you, and be sure to watch other videos on the channel where I shared how to reach monetization in the shortest possible time. And I think I see you in a new video. So bye!